Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on my channel. Welcome back to the Vacuum Collector 2024 vacuuming channel. So you guys remember the acquisition video of the Hoover Windtunnel twin chamber that I bought? So this is the aftermath. I already have fully disassembled this thing. Like, I cleaned everything, as you can see over there. That's dirty because I tested out, but we got the turbo brush cleaned up and nice. Like, look at the turbo brush. It's in great shape. I cleaned everything out. I cleaned the attachments, the attachment holster, which already has some speck of dust in it. The tools, the filters got washed. Everything got washed. The dust cup filter got washed. But it's already looking a little bit dusty, as I previously mentioned, because I tested out. But this is all what it picked up just with the test that I did. That was all dust. So we're going to be testing it out. Checking out to see what it will do. The only thing I have not done is replace the belt on it. Or the brush roller. The brush roller, it's still running its OEM plastic brush roller. The hose got washed. I didn't take apart the motor because it doesn't need it. It sounds good the way it does. But everything under here got washed. Everything got washed. There, your exhaust filter window. Everything got washed. So today I'm going to be putting the tripod, and I got another video coming for you guys on this thing. This one has already been fully washed, fully cleaned up. I already cleaned it up everywhere I could. It's a little dusty already, but it runs good. It runs good. It was used without a pre-motor filter, without a dust cup filter, and actually it still doesn't have a dust cup filter. Still doesn't have a dust cup filter, but if you look inside of there, I cleaned everything inside of there. Hold on one second, let me see if Samsung can actually focus right through there. Around here, I don't have any around here I didn't had any angle to wash this part because the foam is glued onto the dust cup. But the cyclone got cleaned up, the inner cyclone, the outer cyclone, everything got washed. Everything. This thing also got washed. It's just that those stains were permanently there. So you can see that's the inlet. That's the other part for the dust cup filter. Everything got washed on it. Everything. Like, trust me, when I say everything, I mean everything. The brush roller got washed, the windows, and you remember the filters. Sorry, one sec. So you remember that this thing had the filter missing, the filter pleat. So I had this that was off of a lift-off Revolution that unfortunately burnt out. I decided to slap it into there, and it works great. The brush roller shut off works. As you can see, it works. Then you push it. So it works great. The wheels came amazing. The carpets are a little bit dusty because I haven't vacuumed. That's why we need the wind tunnel to vacuum up. So I'm going to put my tripod up and I'll actually vacuum with a wind tunnel. There is also another video with this thing coming to my channel shortly. This is a Hoover Power Dash Pet carpet washer. So let me just put the tripod up. Okay, there we go. Got the tripod set up. Let me just turn the flash off, so that way you guys can actually see the action of the headlight. So without further ado, let's give this wind tunnel a whirl. Oh, sorry. Technical difficulties. I forgot that I unplugged it. I'm an idiot. There we go. Got it plugged in. Now let me. She's fully plugged in. Here we go. you go. You guys see that? How do you think it did? How do you think it did? It did fabulous. Like fabulous. Look at how the carpet got left. Thanks to this Hoover. Wow. She left the carpets beautifully groomed. Like beautifully. Now, it's not on its lowest setting. I have it a little bit high. But let me see here. Let me just pull the dust cup out. Yeah, if you ask me, the fine dust actually makes its way into the, oh, yeah, look at all that. It's stuck in the pleat for the filter. But it still breathes good. It still breathes good. So if I just give it like a little shaky shake. Oh, but look at this. Look at the dust. Look at the fine dust up on top of the filter housing. Get all that. Yep. This is what a Hoover wind tunnel actually does on carpets, if you ask me. But it got a lot of stuff. A lot, actually. It surprises me the amount of filth and dust that it picked up. I'm impressed with this vacuum cleaner. How good it does. Wait, what the? There we go. There we go. Dust cup didn't want it to go back into it. So, now, let's close that. Slap that thing in there the way it's supposed to go. And let's continue vacuuming. Now we're going to go towards that side of the carpet, which that side hasn't seen a vacuum cleaner in a while. And you guys can see that it's pretty dusty. Then after this, I'm going to be vacuuming with a clean view. With a Bissell clean view to see what the Hoover left over. So, yeah. Let's put the tripod right over here. Sorry, my phone is about to start overheating. I hope not, because I don't have a prayer. Alrighty, let's take a look. Are you guys able to see that thing real good? And let me just push this phone a little bit downwards. That should be good. Now, let's run the Hoover. Who needs a prayer when you need when you have a wind tunnel? Oh yeah, look at just how beautiful this brush roller spins. This brush roller spins great. Just got some hair wrap up around it. If you ask me, this thing is in amazing shape. Amazing shape. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding, and I don't pretend to be kidding. I don't like to lie to people about my vacuum cleaners. I think that the belt needs some TLC. It needs a new belt. It needs new belts. What else? Because that belt that was in it, I was able to find the OEM belt. This is the original belt for all of you guys asking what was with it. What was with this vacuum cleaner. And I don't know if the phone is going to actually be able to focus. Assemble this side out. Then it shows on this side. Hoover belt. Which this is an OEM belt. Because it has a part number. So this is basically the OEM belt that was in it. So, and it still does an amazing job. I have a Style 7 Bissell belt on it right now. I don't know if it's the right belt. Or if the belt off of the Power Dash is the right belt, which I don't think so. But if you ask me, this thing is actually doing great. It doesn't get hot at all. Like, it doesn't get hot, like, abnormally hot. It doesn't get hot at all. Like, yeah, it gets warm, but it's just warm. It's not, like, overheating hot. You know what I mean? Like, no, it's not hot at all. And it's an amazing vacuum cleaner. And it grooms the carpet amazingly. So, yeah, this is the vacuum cleaner aftermath. After it has already been refurbished. Everything was washed. The filter, I wanted to replace it. And I'm going to be replacing the dust cup filter on it. Because look at this filter. This is the exhaust filter. But if you guys pay attention, it's clean as a whistle over there. So, yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm going to be actually replacing a couple other parts, but that's going to be in an upcoming paycheck, because this paycheck I'm already, you know, I ran out of credit. Okay, 1 second. Let me just slap the exhaust motor filter onto place. There you go. The sticker for the HEPA. This sticker is actually starting to fall down. Has HEPA allergen filtration, traps 100% dust mites and ragweed pollen. But aside from this, it's a beautiful vacuum. Came out amazing. Yeah, it came out great. Came out great. Great purchase, great vacuum. It cleans the carpets beautifully. So yeah, feel free to give it a like. Drop a like, drop a comment if you have a memory with one of these wind tunnels. And stay safe out there, everyone. I look forward to seeing you all again in the next video that I'm going to be uploading, which I'm going to be recording it, and it's going to be about that other vacuum cleaner. So give it a like, leave a comment if you have any memories or any information regarding this vacuum cleaner. I know somebody already commented in my previous video, the acquisition video, that if I really want to upgrade this vacuum cleaner to get a wooden brush roller, that's what I'm going to be doing. But just be patient with me. Right now I'm struggling a bit with money. I don't got enough money. My job has just been not doing well. So yeah, feel free to give it a like and a thumbs up and comment anything you want about this vacuum cleaner. Bye.